Is your child starting preschool? Listen to these 5 important tips from Sandhya Viswan.
As a preschool educator, I've guided countless families through that exciting and sometimes nervous first day. Here are 5 quick tips to help your little one step into preschool with confidence. Tip 1. Shift routines early. About a week before school starts, move bedtime and wake up times to match the school schedule. When they are well rested, mornings are less stressful and they are less likely to be cranky. Tip 2. Talk about their day. Ask the school for a copy of their daily timetable, then explain the routine at home so your child knows exactly what to expect. Some children need every little detail, others just want to know the highlights of the day. Tip 3. Orientation. A day or two before classes begin, take your child to the school, let them explore the play area, show them where they'll hang their bag, and introduce them to the teachers and staff. This familiarizes them with the space and makes the day feel a bit more comfortable. Tip 4. Pack the bag together. Label everything with your child's name: water bottle, snack or lunch box, and an extra change of clothes. Practice opening and closing zippers and containers so they can manage on their own. The labels will also help them to identify their name by sight. Tip 5. Celebrate every effort. Notice the small little things. I saw you put your shoes away all by yourself. Great job. Praising effort, not perfection, builds their independence and confidence. That's it. 5 simple steps. Here's to bright smiles and curious hearts. Happy preschool start.